So in today's air fryer series, we are making delicious cherry tomatoes right in our air fryer. If your weight loss is stalled, this might be the answer. So come along, follow along step by step so that you can start adding these into your daily, weekly meal plan. Check out the nutrient profile on these babies. If you haven't been adding them in already, I think this will convince you to start. And also, if you haven't checked out all of my air fryer videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss an upload. I take all the complications out of weight loss, and I just hope to motivate and inspire you to start putting these clean, delicious whole foods into your body, and utilizing the air fryer is a great way to start. So let's go put this one together. All right, so if you want your delicious cherry tomatoes to turn out exactly like mine, follow along step by step. Put your cherry tomatoes down into your serving bowl. You're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil, not too much, because they cook up pretty nice with a light coating. Mix that oil onto them. It's just going to give something for the seasonings to grab onto. And we take our black pepper, garlic powder, a little paprika. Paprika really brings out a flavor in vegetables, I've noticed, and the hard-boiled eggs. And our pink Himalayan salt. Simply toss that in the bowl. Now, I leave my cherry tomatoes whole. You can go ahead and half them if you would like, but I split them at the end. I like to cook them up whole. And from there, we're going to move it right over to our air fryer. Your air fryer temperature is going to be 375 degrees for 5 to 8 minutes. So we'll start at 8, and I'm going to go ahead and I'll shake it at 3 or 4 minutes. Pour your cherry tomatoes down into the tray, just like so. Back into the air fryer. And if you're wondering which one I have, it's the 6-quart Chefman. 8 minutes, 375, start. So here you can see we're about halfway through, and they are sizzling up really nice. They're kind of getting that wilted look a little bit. It's going to be perfect for pasta. Now, at this point, we seasoned them. We're cooking them in the air fryer. That's great, a great micro habit. I always want to elevate it to the next level. So I'm going to halfway add in a tablespoon from the Gut Health Spice Jar. If you aren't familiar with the components that are in this, go ahead and click or check out that video right there next. These are the spices that go to work at breaking down the inflammation, doing all the things. I've talked about it a lot on my channel. So I want to elevate my tomatoes. So I'm going to sprinkle that on, shake it around, back into the air fryer for the remaining few moments. All right, we're at the last few seconds, and we're going to go ahead and pull those out. Look at those. They are completely caramelized, delicious. Look at those seasonings. You can see the flavor, that garlic powder oozing up off of them. Perfect for pasta, salads. I am so excited for these. It doesn't get easier than that. Throwing the cherry tomatoes into your air fryer to elevate your cooking experience. I am here for it. Go ahead and pour them into the bowl. And then from there, you decide what you are going to be turning these into. Are they going to go with your pasta? Are they going to go with your salad? Are you just going to mix them with cottage cheese, quinoa? Be sure to check out the different flavorings and seasonings that you can add to them to improve your gut health, to improve your inflammation, to boost your metabolism. I also have a macronutrient balanced meal that you can incorporate these into. So there's no reason why we aren't using our air fryer to get all of these clean, delicious foods into our body. I'm Melissa with Healthy Days. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss an upload that is going to help you take all of the complication out of weight loss. I'll see you in the next one.